TOEFL style listening exercise on education. You will hear part of a lecture in an education class. Professor, today we are discussing the concept of experiential learning. This is a method where students learn by doing through internships, simulations, and hands-on projects. The idea is rooted in the work of educational theorist David Klopp, who emphasized that knowledge is created through the transformation of experience. Now, experiential learning differs from traditional classroom learning. Instead of just reading about a topic, students engage directly with real-world problems. For example, a student studying environmental science might work with a local conservation group to analyze water quality. This not only deepens understanding but also builds practical skills. However, implementing experiential learning can be challenging. It requires time, resources, and often partnerships with external organizations. But when done well, it can significantly enhance student engagement and retention of knowledge. Sample question. What is the main topic of the lecture? The history of environmental science, the benefits and challenges of experiential learning, theories of classroom management, on how to write academic research papers. So the correct answer is B, the benefits and challenges of experiential learning.